In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Exxon Mobil put options here in Canada, ticker symbol XOM here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, simply go into your Wealthsimple account, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass icon right below where it says trade and right beside the house. Go ahead and press on the magnifying glass, and at the top here press on the search bar. And as I mentioned before, type in the ticker symbol XOM for Exxon Mobil. Now what you want to do is press the one that's two sections down, so not the top one, but the second one, a part of the New York Stock Exchange, where it says XOM with the options thing in purple. Go ahead and press on that, then press on where it says buy, and then press on where it says options. Now, if you wanted to buy some Exxon Mobil put options, make sure that at the top it says, I believe that Exxon Mobil will rise by. Go ahead and press on where it says rise, and then press on where it says put option right here at the bottom. Now it should say Exxon Mobil will fall by, and if you want to change the expiry date, go to the date right here, press on it, and then you can change the date to whatever you want it to be. Now you can either go in the money by scrolling up, you can go out of the money by scrolling down. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go out of the money for a strike price of $119 USD. And if you wanted to finalize this purchase, and go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Exxon Mobil put options here in Canada, ticker symbol XOM. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.